Welcome to the lecture series of Mechanics of Solids. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about centroid of standard shapes. Outline of this session. In this session, we are going to learn about centroid of different three-dimensional figures, means solids. So let us start with centroid for three-dimensional figures, that is solids. In first figure, this is the cylinder which is having radius r and height h. This point is the centroidal distance of cylinder, which is at x bar distance along x-axis and y bar distance along y-axis. So for this solid cylinder, volume will be equal to pi r square h. X bar distance, that is in figure we can see it will be equal to radius r. Total height of this cylinder is h, so centroidal distance along y-axis will be half of it, that is h by 2. For cylinder, volume is pi r square h, x bar distance is r, and y bar distance is h by 2. The second solid is cone. Here in this figure, the cone has been shown, which is having radius r and height h. G point that denotes the centroid of cone, which is at x bar distance along x-axis and centroidal distance along y direction is y bar. So we know the volume of cone will be equal to pi r square h by 3. X bar distance, that is equal to radius of cone, that is r, and centroidal distance in y direction will be equal to fourth part of its height. So it will be equal to h by 4. So in case of cone, volume is pi r square h by 3, x bar distance is radius r, and y bar distance, that is fourth of its height, that is h by 4. Now let us move to the next shape. The next shape is sphere, which is having radius r. This point means center of sphere, that is centroid of it. This distance is x bar and this distance is y bar, that are centroidal distance along x and y axis respectively. The volume of sphere is known to us, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. X bar distance in figure, it is very clear that it is equal to radius r. Same way, y bar distance is also equal to radius r. So for sphere, volume that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and x bar and y bar distance will be equal to r. This is the next shape, that is hemisphere, that is half part of sphere, which is having radius r. This point shows the centroid of hemisphere, which is at centroidal distance x bar along x-axis and y bar along y-axis. So from figure it is clear that x bar distance will be equal to radius of hemisphere, that is equal to r. Y bar distance, that is equal to distance between centroid of hemisphere and center of hemisphere. So this distance you have to remember, that is equal to 3r by 8. And the total volume of hemisphere, that is half of sphere, so it will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. X bar is r and y bar, that is 3r by 8. So these are some standard shape and volume we have seen. We have also seen how to determine the position of centroid, means x bar and y bar. So you have to remember all this area, volume, length and centroidal distance. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt or query, please write in the comment box. I will be there to help you. Thank you. Thank you very much.